Today we're unlocking the secrets to an intense workout using a fitness tool that's been around for decades, the weighted jump rope. Athletes and fitness enthusiasts alike have incorporated this tool into their daily routine. The weighted jump rope enhances your fitness, strength, and cardiovascular health. But what makes the weighted jump rope so effective, and how you use them to intensify your workout?
Riddle me this, riddle me that.
In today's video, we'll explore just that.
I'm a man of my word.
Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and let's jump right into the video.
Let the games begin.
If you're interested in any of the equipment that you see in today's video, it's available down below. Weighted jump ropes add an extra level of intensity to your workout, engaging more muscles and increasing overall difficulty. To get an intense workout with a weighted jump rope, follow these steps. The first thing you want to do with weighted jump ropes is choose the right one for you. Choose the one that's best for your fitness level. I started out with a 6-pound jump rope, but not everyone can handle that jump rope.
I'm Batman.
I thought my jokes were bad.
If you can't handle the 6-pound one, you won't get a good workout. If you want a good workout, you want something you can handle. Something like the 3-pound jump rope, or even something like 1 pound or 1.5 pounds if you're not strong enough to handle a 3-pound rope. All of this will make you a better jumper and give you a more intense workout. Now, if you want an intense workout, you definitely want to warm up before your workout. I do light cardio before I even start with the weighted jump rope, and I'll explain why. Warming up through light cardio offers various benefits, including increased heart rate and blood flow.
Do you bleed?
This promotes improved circulation for enhanced delivery of oxygen and nutrients to muscles. It also boosts joint flexibility, reduces muscle stiffness, and activates the muscles, reducing the risk of strains. Additionally, warming up enhances oxygen delivery, prepares the cardiovascular system for increased demands, and mentally prepares individuals for their workout, contributing to overall performance improvement and lower risk of injuries. Practice proper form, including maintaining a straight back, relaxed shoulders, and using your wrist to rotate the rope. Keep your core engaged, land softly on the balls of your feet, and keep a consistent rhythm when jumping rope. Start slowly and gradually build up your speed. Make sure to keep your shoulders back and your core engaged, and you're ready to go. Make sure you incorporate interval training into your workout to maximize your intensity. Interval training is a way of exercising that mixes up doing hard work with taking breaks. When you do the hard work part, like jumping rope really fast, your heart and breathing get much faster. After that, you get a little bit of a rest period. This cycle of working hard and resting helps make your heart and muscles stronger. Interval training is a great way to get fit and healthy in a shorter amount of time. Interval training is perfect for the person that doesn't have a lot of time to work out but wants to get a serious workout in.
He turns to me and he says, "Why so serious?"
And combining it with a jump rope can lead to a really intense workout, especially if you have a weighted jump rope. The key to a well-rounded workout is to mix up your jump rope tricks. It engages different muscle groups, preventing monotony and boredom to maintain motivation.
Because you're just too much fun.
The variety enhances coordination, agility, and cardiovascular challenge, which promotes overall fitness improvement. As a result, skills are developed, calories are burned, and plateaus are avoided. Not only can tricks boost your cognitive function, the creative aspects of the workout makes them more enjoyable, so you'll end up doing them longer because you enjoy what you do. Jump rope tricks provide a comprehensive approach to fitness that targets cardiovascular endurance, muscle strength, and coordination. To get a really intense workout with a weighted jump rope, you want to combine it with other workouts. I know I love my ab wheel just to help me get that 6-pack I'm looking for, but you can combine it with squats, lunges, push-ups. Just depends on what your goal is and what you want your body to look like.
You decide what's right
or wrong.
As you become more proficient, gradually increase the duration of your workouts and the intensity of the jumps. This could be involving increasing the speed of your jumps, or incorporating more complex jump rope techniques, or even getting a heavy jump rope. You can combine a little bit of all of them. This only matters for what your goal is. Remember that as you're planning your workout. Cooling down after your workout. This prevents so many injuries and helps you stay active for the next workout, because you're preparing your muscles to work out again. Make sure you find a great stretching routine. I would even suggest getting massages. Buying a massage gun is something that I use often, is my massage gun, so I can jump longer. I can say it's one of the essential tools that I use in my gym bag. In fact, you can get the massage gun that I have. It's in the description box down below. I'm sure it will help you immensely during your times of working out and getting your muscles back prepared to jump rope again. Do make sure you're staying consistent during your jump rope activities.
I think you and I are destined to do this forever.
Consistency, consistency, consistency. This is the only way you're gonna get better at this. This is the only way you're gonna get in shape to do more cool tricks, to get in shape to look better, to feel better, to run better. This is the only way, is to stay consistent and stay patient. Now, if you really wanna get in shape, you're gonna wanna know everything there is to know about a way to jump rope. So you check out this video right here. I'm sure it'll tell you everything you need to know. And as always, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Just start. Worry about being perfect later. Peace.